Okay, about half an hour later, I felt that I'm not concentrating enough when trying to do the tutorial and stick all these mini pieces at the same time. So I had to, and the space is like really small. I mean, that's about the space I'm working, and I need a bit more like area to do, because I like to keep the pieces aside and enough place to glue and everything. So, but I've made, I think, the main of it in the tutorial. And this was the final piece I had before, which I put in a pouch. It says here, Terry, if you need a hug, with loads of personal notes inside. So you can, I'm gonna send it to a friend and easily I can put it through the post, and I think it's a beautiful surprise, very personalized, and I think it's going to be appreciated. It's very thoughtful. So this is my final piece of the sample I made earlier with you, and I will put a link in the comments or in the description for the tutorial itself. So there is this main envelope, there is the pocket here, you can put anything else here. I've just put another pocket here, and this, the mini book, is stuck inside here. I've lined the pages, 1 second, here I just put, sorry, I bind the pages together just with a piece of ribbon, but you can bind it in any other way that you normally use. I've put all the pockets and I've decorated some of the extra bits that comes with it. There are about 4 mini pockets here for you to add some notes in here, and the rest of the pockets are just added all these extra bits to decorate it. Here we just say, I just wanted to say, if you don't want to use the other label, I've stuck the 2 hearts on top of each other here with a piece of lace below. And here's some labels. I've added actually some writing onto the labels, so 4 will be blank and 4 have some writing on, so you can be even more useful. And so this goes in here. I've got this here. That's the tag here, and this pretty stamp. Oh, I'll literally, oh no, I'm good. And there's the tickets are here, which you can write on as well, and here for you to write notes. And I've stuck, because I've used all my pockets inside the book, I've stuck one over here, so you can add extra bits here as well. And I've used that label here on the front, and you can, I've put the butterflies, I've stuck them one onto each other, then I've inked this a bit on the edges, and then I've just folded a bit the wings, so it looks like 2D kind of butterfly. And you can either stick this or put a lace around, or a ribbon, or with a button, or anything to seal it. And you've got these 2 labels here to use. Obviously you can do the same. I just used a paper bag from the bakery and I've just trimmed it, and I've sewn around, and I've sewn it together with the label here. So it looks even extra special. It's a pocket size one, so I think this will be greatly received. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can enjoy this, making this, and have fun. Thank you.